result of the films that they have a high percentage. They are also performing as to the result of the regional achievement measure. They are also, meron sila rin, actually performing division namin yung Aklan in terms of literacy and other academic endeavor, not only in academic but also in sports. They are also performing because of the strong partnership with the local partners like the LGU. Malaki yung support ng LGU as manifested and shared during our curriculum implementation plan review and assessment. They have also that strengthened instructional supervision that they have shared also to different schools divisions, especially the Iloilo, because when we met, we do not met only per division, but we met also as a whole region where the representative from the different schools division and the sharing of the best practices is also aired and heard by the chief of the curriculum implementation division of the different schools division of Region 6. So, na-share niya yung mga how they contextualize the learning resources because the result of the CRRA is parang doon siya nakango sa kanilang mother tongue na Aquianon University sa springboard for the reading and literacy of the children, and Aklan were able to develop that learning resources with the help of the ABC class. Also Antique because they are using the language of Kinaraya. For the rest of the schools division, they are using the Hiligaynon, and we have plenty of reading resources as to that effect. For the generic na meron tayong mga reading resources coming from the central office written in Filipino and in English, all the schools division were provided also, and also we have that time on task for the teachers because we discourage pulling out of teachers during class days. And that will speak also how the teachers are connected with the learners. So, yun talaga yung mga practices ng Aklan na shared by their CID chief during our convergence. At saka meron sila talagang one by one, each district, there are 10 public schools district supervisors in Aklan who are bringing with them their instructional supervision plan. Also, with other schools division. So, nagkataon siguro na meron na silang parang na-establish na strategy na nagiging mataas yung Aklan. But other schools division also are doing that. Siguro depending on the depth of their engagement with their teachers, with their school heads, and their public schools district supervisors to inspire these learners to learn.
Thank you so much,